Ano bang status niya and anong plano niyo moving forward with Shabazz Muhammad?
Yun, medyo yung namamagaling to ni Shabazz and don't want to force him also na magkaroon ng major injury niya, lumala, tapos yung kalayo din na talk about it and let's see, but hopefully kung we will talk about it, siguro ang goal lang namin is matapos yung game na to, at least makita namin, and then tomorrow let's see kung paano yung mangyayari because it's near to the playoffs and hopefully makadecide kami kung ano yung pwede namin gawin and patulad ni Shabazz, alam naman niya yung sitwasyon.
Sa option din ba na naghahanap na ba kayo?
Yeah, that's an option also because we don't want also na yun nga, kung hindi naman healthy, we will try to see kung ano pa yung mangyayari in the next few days.
And